Damn thing, I bumped it, ended the recording. A little bit of a slot through there that they could have fallen into, but no eggs anywhere that I can see other than that area. There's only 4 up there, but Smokey's absolutely got, what do we call it, a egg yolk on her. What the hell? Darky, leave her alone. Messing with poor Splash over there. The scared one. I'm too old and fat to do this. Egger. Nutbag Cookie, how you doing? Good Cookie. Oh, did you lay an egg? You little shitter. Good Egger. Good Egger. Good Egger. 3 of those are, at least one of those is yours. I think her and her sister, Matriarch, are the only ones that lay green eggs. Or blue, or whatever that teal type of color is. God, I'm out of shape. I just lost 70 pounds, but I think I put 10 or 15 back on. Hell, maybe 20 by now. Chicken. Are you irritated at me? Am I stealing your eggs? Is that what you're complaining about? Something's annoying. Smokey. How'd you get egg on you? Somebody drop eggs down here? Nope, just a million pieces of trash. Well, she's up there kicking crap down. Good chicken. Good chicken. What are you angry about? You seem pissed off. Oh, really? Good chicken. Who's banging in there? Oh, that's Darky yammering. I really thought it was somebody knocking. It sounded just like knocking. Or somebody was pecking at something. Cookie, you nutbag. Policing here. Good Egger. Alright. I will see you all later. That's the limit.